Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is how to download ChatGPT on laptop or PC. So it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So if you want to download ChatGPT on your desktop, then it is you need to be follow this simple task. You need to be visit on that place in your computer and search for Microsoft Store, and here you will get this option, and you need to be search ChatGPT in here. Once you click over here into the hit button, and you will get the option for ChatGPT. From that place you are allowed to download ChatGPT. Because of I already downloaded that, for reason I am getting this option open. If you're new in here, you don't have ChatGPT on your computer, then you will get this kind of option to get option. Here you need to be click on get, then you will able to access ChatGPT. Now you can see we already have ChatGPT, so that for reason we have the option for open. If you click on open, you will get option for login and sign up. If you have an existing account, then you will go with login. If you not, then you need to be click on sign up. So if you think this video was really helpful and knowledgeable for you, and the process was really easy for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.